say NBA Youngboy. Yeah, you my nigga. You my little fucking little round. I'ma tell you what's real, my nigga. Your CD, that bitch garbage, my nigga. That ain't real, my nigga. That ain't real. Come from under that fucking little girl. Come from under, my nigga. Straight up, come back home. Straight up. That shit ain't what's happening. That ain't no 70805 shit you just put out. Other niggas ain't gonna tell you because they gonna be riding on your dick behind the money. This and that. But I'ma tell you what's real, my nigga. You need to get back out here. You heard me? Straight up. And the baby, I'm talking to you too, the baby. Yeah, you need some more tracks, my nigga. You heard me? Them tracks ain't what's happening. You heard me? You need some more tracks. You rapping good, my nigga. You doing good. You and the little young nigga. But y'all need to come back out here with me. Give y'all something to talk about. Give y'all some shit to talk about. You heard me? You know, other niggas gonna want y'all to put that garbage ass shit out, but fuck all that. You niggas, I'm telling you what's real. Straight.